tayo na.
So I need some help to open.
Okay.
Here, Mom. Thank
Ba't
you.
hindi nyo naman kami pinapansin? Nagmamahalan kami, di ba?
We are doing a video. There, let's take them out. And let's open this. Let's see if we can open. Okay. Okay, we can. I'm gonna put some veggies, some carrots. Let me close the lid. Okay, doesn't fit. So I'm gonna first cook the veggies. While it's cooking, let me get the air fryer. Let me put this here, and then this. While I am frying that, let me put it to where this. And then here's a popsicle. Wait, this is, oh, it's a hot dog. And then this one is like for the thingy, so we're gonna like put this there because it's already cooked. Wait, we could put it anywhere.
Singa mo ate.
May pangit ata yung tissue na yung tela, kaya ibigay mo dyan.
There, we got it. Well, we're
Yan,
finished.
ilong yan.
Now here's a hamburger. Let's put the soda there. Hamburger, we're gonna load to that. Pizza, my favorite with cheese, but that's fine. Some ice cream, some french fries. Oh, we're just gonna put it like that. We're gonna put it there. Some hot dogs, some some sandwich,
Oh, ang galing naman.
some, what do we call this?
Hot dog sandwich.
Hot dog sandwich. Here's for stew. Oh, this is a pot. We put that there. The fork, we put it close here. Here's her water. Let's pour that. Wait, oh my god, it's already... We could even take it out? We could take it out? No way, I'm putting it there. I'm putting it there, no way. I'm putting it there. There. We got a water or soft drinks. Let's just put it soft drinks. Let's put it properly. Ah, okay, there. Now we are gonna cook.
Nasaan na yung damit?
While we are cooking, let me go like... While we are cooking and then we're finished, let me put these there. Let me put here, there. There's even these straws, so let me put it back.
Ate, ba't mo yung pansit kay mami?
Where?
Halipid mo.
Oh, okay.
The pasta.
Well, guys, this is finished as well. Let me put the carrots. Okay, we're not eating carrots for no reason. We'll put the carrots down. Then you see this. This is this. Wait, this is the spoon. This is the fork. Or somewhere else. Oh, here's another plate. Okay, we're eating these.
Pansinin mo naman. Pansinin mo.
Bakit ba?
I'm gonna cook. Mommy, don't you know if I cook this, it's gonna be really yummy? Okay.
Kanina pa doon kayo nagmamahalan dyan eh.
Mommy!
Ano yan? Natanggal.
Well, it's burning now. Let's get some. Let's make some soft drink.
Ano ba yun?
Okay, well, here's the soda. Let's put it there. I guess here. Okay. Squeeze drink. Gulp, gulp, gulp. We put that there.
Kutsing buhay.
They put it right below.
Dami-dami mo naman at sticker na binili.
Sorry.
Ang dami niya. Lagpas 20 yata binili niya. Bakit? Bakit?
And here's what I'm cooking. Yummy, right? Wait, I have to do something. Guys, I'm gonna show you how I made it. Mom, give me some. Mom, give me some. Wait. Mom, give me some bread. Thank you. One more. Some lettuce, please. Thank you. First, we do like this, then that. Wait a minute. There. Okay, it fits. Now let's put it in the air fryer. Well, we are doing it, so let's get it. I hope it doesn't burn. So we're gonna put that right. And wait, where's my tissue? Wait, where's the cloth? Wait, where is it? Where is it? Okay, you know what? We're just gonna leave it and find it later. Okay, we're gonna find it later. Okay, here's where we air fry. Because you see there's so many reds. That means it's burning. So I put one over here. Wait. Time to check the lettuce. I hope the lettuce didn't burn. Okay, okay. It's smoking. It smells so bad. Here's some veggie soup. Here's the soup. Next, I'm gonna make some carrots. We'll put some beans later.
Alam mo, yung muta ka, di ko makuha.
Let me close it up. Close it up. Okay. I closed it up. Let's put it. So let's wait for it, and let's wait for 10 minutes before it finished. Wait, it looks like it's smelling. It smells so bad, but so while we are doing this, we should put it in our well, it's ready, so we're just gonna put the soup right over here. Well, after that, we get some this. Wait guys, this is really quick. I got the bread. I mean, hindi ko to.
Nakikita nga yung ano mo.
And then here, we got this. We got these. There, then let's burn it. Okay, let's burn it. Wait, let me touch it. Ow, it really hurts, mommy. Touch it.
Oh! Huh?
Hi! Nananakaw ka!
Eh, natatanggal pala. Anak
Nananakaw.
nasira.
Ito yung straw na ano.
Nananakaw ka kasi. Okay, well, we're finished with the soup.
Balik mo tate. May customer ka makulit.
Let's burn the soup.
Pati ito natatanggal to?
Oo.
Let's burn the soup and let's.
Di pa luto!
Ay, di pa ba luto yan? Ano yung kulay pula na yan?
Ayan yung ano niya, kalan.
Restaurant?
Kalan niya, nagluluto.
Ano yung mahabang pula na yan?
Alin ba?
Yan, pinapatungan.
Yung kalan niya nga.
Ayan, ay mahabang pag
Oo
ano.
nga, kalan niya nga. Pero sticker yan.
Here's straw. No reason. Let's put it in here.
Si Baluchi, na Baluchi.
Okay, almost lost this, so we're putting that there, and then let's put this there. Oh, here was I looking for. Let me put it there. There. This is what I've been looking for. Guys, if you're asking, Louie, why are you using a closet? Cause I hadn't found anything, but I found this for no reasons. Oh, here's a water. Here's a hot dog. Let's put it there. It's French fries. Then ask what's this. We put that there. Then the other tools, let's put it there.
Spatula.
Yes, and then let's put the why are we needing that? We put that there, we put that there, we put that. Mommy, you're not showing me how I cook. Wait, let me touch. Ow, it really hurts. Ow. Here, I'm gonna need a bunny here. Cute. Let's put it here. Ow, it hurts. Mommy, it hurts, right? Touch it.
Bumili ka na naman yung ganito.
Don't Mommy, could you touch it for me? I think it's really
Hot, dali.
time to flip it over. Wait. Oh, yes, I haven't do the back yet. There.
Sige.
Let me put the wurahi there. Well, it looks like the hot dog's ready. The hot dog's gonna be really, really hard because it's really hot. Let's put that. Oh, that hurt. Okay, let's put it there.
Ang galing-galing naman.
There, guys, we put that. Now we're just waiting for that too. Let me touch this.
Ang galing.
Let me see if
Ang
the...
galing naman.
Mom, is the pasta ready? Okay, this. Where's the...
galing
Where
naman,
do we get
Maki.
scoop? Here's the scoopy tutors.
Ang galing.
We can scoop it. Let me put it in here. Pretend it's a
Ako
plate,
naman
guys.
inaantok na nakapikit pa kumakanta naman.
Here. We're only missing this one, so let's...
Ang galing-galing talaga
Oh.
kumanta.
I just keep flipping it. Let me touch it. Okay, it's really hot. We have to make it like 3 meters.
Ang
Let me get the
galing.
thingy. Where is it? Okay.
Ang galing.
Okay, already set it for 3 minutes.
Kumanta. Ang galing talaga
Now let's wait.
Ang galing kumanta.
Okay, it looks like it's all ready. Where's plates? Then time to make some more. Some pizza. Well, it is like fine, so we're just gonna like.
Huwag mo na hubarin kasi masisira
Ang
pa.
galing naman makanta. Agli-gli-gli. Agli-gli-gli. Agli-gli-gli.
Here we got it. Okay, let me set properly. Let me do my engine set.
Ang galing.
Here, let's. It doesn't
Ang
even
galing.
fit. Well, let's just wait. Well, wait, guys. Let me Google in my phone. Wait. What to do? Let me just do it in here. Okay, it looks like it's a pizza with like some veggies. So let me set the timer again. How many minutes left to air fryer the food? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Setting in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's time to Mommy started it.
Ang galing-galing naman yan mag-sing naman na girlie na yan.
Oh, okay, here's this. Okay, really hot. Let's just put it there. Wait, let me touch
Boy,
the
tapos ka
pasta.
na magluto.
Wait, the pasta's not ready yet.
Luto na yan. Inahin mo na nga kanina.
Well, you know I didn't set the timer. Okay, the timer's already there. Did it. Okay, it's open. Here what the pasta looks like. Okay, we forgot to let's just put it here. I just did 1 hour, so let's wait.
Okay na yung food mo. Magbabay ka na. Present mo na yung food na cook mo.
Wait. We're missing one single thing. Missing one thing. And
Sabi mo
this.
na. What did you cook?
I cooked some cheese with scrambled eggs and some macarons, like just the macaronis. Hot dog bread with some lettuce, and then here's a bread with lettuce as well, and here's pizza.
Mm-hmm.
And this is our royal soup that is filled with like gravy, and then this is
Hot water.
yeah, hot water. And then our French fries. Well, guys, if you wanna see a part 2, follow me on YouTube. Bye.